Are you getting Roku Player error malformed data? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Contact the channel developer. The Roku Player error malformed data issue is a common problem that can occur on Roku devices when using certain channels, particularly the HD Home Run TV channel. The issue is specific to the HD Home Run TV channel and not a general Roku problem. It is likely an issue within the channel itself that needs to be addressed by the channel developer. So, you can contact the channel developer to resolve the issue. Method 2. Remove and reinstall the channel. Try removing the channel and then reinstalling it. This can help resolve the issue. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel you want to uninstall. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel you want to reinstall. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN and confirm the installation. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. Method 3. Update Roku device. Some users have reported the issue coinciding with specific Roku software updates. So you can check for available updates and see if this helps to fix the issue. To update the firmware, go to Settings, then select System. Then select Software Update. If updates are available, install them. Method 4. Contact Roku community and HD Home Run support. Weak signal strength and symbol quality can cause issues with the Roku device, particularly with the HD Home Run app. The Roku community and HD Home Run support are available to help troubleshoot and resolve the issue. You have it. The ways to fix Roku Player error malformed data. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.